Hi there, here are some beautiful scarf styles for you. Here we are using a square scarf. Take opposite edges and tie a double knot like this. Now take the other two edges and cross them under the knot like this. Now pull them and wear your scarf. Tie a knot behind your neck. And your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. Next again we are using a square scarf. Fold it like this. Now tie a knot on the folds. Now open the folds one by one like this. Now wear your scarf. Tie a knot behind your neck and your simply beautiful look is ready. In the next one again, wear your scarf. Wrap it once around your neck and pass its one edge under the scarf from down to upper side like this. Now tie a knot. Set the edges and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like it. So next we are using a long thin scarf. Here we are using a hook. You can also use pass both of the edges under the scarf from down to upper side to make a loop. Hold the loop with your fingers and pass both of the sides through the loop to opposite direction like this. Pull both of the sides and your beautiful look is ready. In the next one, cross over behind your neck. Now pass its one edge under the scarf, make a loop of it like this. Now again pass the other edge under the scarf and pass it again through the loop and tie a double knot. And set your scarf and your beautiful look is ready. In the next one, fold your scarf, wear it, tie a simple knot. Now roll both of the sides like this. Now tie a half knot like this. Now set both of the edges and it is done. In the next one again we are using a square scarf. Fold it. Give it zigzag folds. Now secure the folds with a hair tie or a rubber band. Now wear your scarf and pass the other edge under the rubber band. And pull the edge of the folds. Open the folds. Set your scarf and your beautiful look is ready. I hope you are going to like these scarf styles. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Love you all.